Hello, my dear friends. I hope you are well. It's a good day today, really. Yeah. Let's start our lesson. The topic is What pupil am I? At the previous lesson, we studied modal verbs and got to know school rules. You have a set of general rules. You should choose only school rules. The first, work quietly at your desk. The second, make beds. The third, cooperate with other pupils. The fourth, drive a car carefully. The fifth, listen carefully. The sixth, walk a dog. The seventh, respect the others. The eighth, be late. The ninth, wear school uniform. The 10th, pick up flowers. The 11th, raise your hand. Let's check the answers. School rules. Work quietly, cooperate with other students or pupils, listen carefully, respect the others, be late, wear school uniform, raise your hand. Now let's make up sentences using modal verbs and practice speaking. Remember, modal verbs show your attitude to the action. For example, I must work quietly, or I can work quietly, or I can't work quietly. Cooperate with other students or pupil. I should cooperate with other students. Or I shouldn't cooperate with other students. Listen carefully. I must listen carefully. I don't have to listen carefully. Be late. I mustn't be late. I can't be late. I shouldn't be late. Wear school uniform. I must wear school uniform. I shouldn't wear school uniform. I don't have to wear school uniform. Raise your hand. I must raise my hand. I have to raise my hand. I can raise my hand. I shouldn't raise my hand. What rule is difficult or easy for you to follow? Make up sentences using helping tips. For example, it's difficult for me to listen carefully because I'm not attentive. Now, you'll hear my examples and you'll improve your listening skills. It's difficult for me to be on time because I'm not punctual. It's easy for me to do my homework because I'm well organized. It's difficult for me to take part in extra school activities because I'm not outgoing. It's easy for me to listen to the teacher during the lesson because I'm attentive. It's difficult for me to make friends because I'm not friendly. It's easy for me to work in groups because I'm cooperative. It's difficult for me to follow the school rules because I'm not obedient. Are you good at school? Do you want to know it? So let's do the questionnaire, опитувальник, and work out your score. The first question. What do you like about school? You can choose the answers. A. Interesting lessons. B. Vacation time. C. Meeting with classmates. The second question. Imagine you've got a lot of homework for tomorrow. What are you going to do? Choose the answers. A. Do only the things which you are likely to be asked. B. Try to do everything. C. Take it easy and throw the school bags away. The third question. Imagine you are late for school. What are you going to do? Choose the answers. A. Apologize to the teacher and take a seat. B. Not to worry about it and take your seat. C. Go back home with the hope that next time you'll be on time. The fourth question is, you are going to choose a foreign language to study at school. You'll prefer the one which A. You think is the easiest. B. Is with the nicest teacher. C. You think is the most useful in the future. The fifth question. What do you think about importance of your studies at school? Choose the answer. A. Studying develops your mind and the knowledge you are getting will be useful in the future. B. It's important to study quite a few things at school which will help you in your future life. C. School studies aren't useful in your real life as an adult after school. The sixth question. What place do you usually take in the classroom? Choose the answers. A. The place where you can see and listen to your teacher clearly. B. Somewhere where you'll have a possibility not to be seen by your teacher. C. Any place will do. Analyze your results. If you get less than 3 points, you have problems. You have to change your attitude to school or you'll be at the back of your class. Ask for help and do your best. If you get more than 3 but less than 9 points, your school success depends on your efforts in studying and the school activities. You are one of so-so pupils. If you get more than 9 points, wow! You're a real top-class pupil. You've got a chance to go far in your future. Don't stop. Go on. You see a letter to a friend. You should read a letter to a friend and fill in the gaps with the words. Then guess what kind of pupil Jane is. The words apologize to – вибачитись, future life – майбутнє життя, the questionnaire – опитувальник, through the books – закинути книжки, a few things – декілька речей, I'm sure – я впевнений, homework – домашня робота, place to take – місце, щоб зайняти, ashamed – присоромлений, doesn't matter – не має значення. Now check your answers. Hi Anne, how are you? I hope you are well and keeping good cheer. Guess what? I've just done the questionnaire about what pupil I am. To tell the truth, I agree with the results. To begin with, I really like school and the lessons which are interesting, but when I've got a lot of homework, I throw the books away. Secondly, I'm sure we must study only the easiest lessons, and it's important to study quite a few things at school which will help in your future life. In addition, I think it doesn't matter for me what place to take in the classroom. Anyone will do. As you know, I'm very punctual and don't like being late, but if it happens, I apologize to the teacher and take my seat. I feel ashamed. So the questionnaire is good. Got to go now. My homework is waiting for me. Best wishes. Yes, you are right. Jane is a so-so pupil. I also ask you to pay attention to the words in green. They are necessary for the beginning of the paragraph and for the ending of the lesson. That's all for today's lesson. At the lesson, I hope you've developed your language skills in reading, writing. You've got to know something interesting about yourself, and in future you'll do your best to become a good personality. The model of the letter will help you to write to your friend. I recommend you to write a letter to your friend about yourself using the questionnaire. Good luck. You are the best.